Next topic, ASA congruence criterion. We already learned SSS congruence criterion and SAS congruence criterion. Okay, here ASA congruence criterion means angle, side, angle. S is the middle letter that showing that what included side of two angles. Okay, here consider this example: triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Angle B equal to 70 degree, angle C equal to 60 degree, BC equal to 6.5 centimeter. In PQR, angle Q equal to 70 degree, angle R equal to 60 degree, QR equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, here BC is the included side of angle B and angle C. Same as QR is the included side of angle Q and angle R. Okay, that's a common side. Okay, common side of angle B and angle C is BC. This is a common side of what? QR is the common side of angle Q and angle R. Okay, here next here consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Angle B equal to angle Q equal to 70 degree, angle C equal to angle R equal to 60 degree, BC equal to QR equal to 6.5 centimeter. These two angles are angle B equal to angle Q equal to 670 degree, angle C and angle R equal to 60 degree. BC and QR is the what? Included side of these two angles. Okay, BC angle B and angle C, then QR is the included side of angle Q and angle R. That means triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. Then you can write in the symbolic form: triangle ABC equal to A, start from this vertex A, B angle B is showing 70 degree, BC, same way PQR. Okay, what is the ASA congruence criterion? If under a correspondence, two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to two corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Try this, page number 145. By applying ASA congruence rule, state which pairs of triangles are congruent. In case of congruence, write the result in symbolic form. Okay, here in this consider triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A equal to 40 degree, angle F equal to 40 degree. Angle A equal to angle F equal to 40 degree. Next angle, before that you should write it what? Side. AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, EF also 3.5 centimeter. AB equal to EF equal to 3.5 centimeter. Angle B equal to angle E equal to 60 degree. Okay, here angle A and angle B is there, angle E and angle F. AB means what? This is a common side of these two angles, angle A and angle B. The same thing, EF, the side EF is the common side of angle E and angle F. Then you can write it: triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent triangles. Then you can write in the symbolic form: triangle ABC congruent to triangle. First you start from the vertex A, next B and C. Okay, the same thing, you should, same order, you should start from F. Angle F showing what is 40 degree, angle A also showing what is it? 40 degree. F, E, D. F, E, D. Same, matching the same sides you should write in the same order. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED. Okay, by ASA congruence criterion we can write a triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED. This is the symbolic form of this congruent triangles. Okay. Next is second question, triangle PQR and triangle DEF. Consider triangle PQR and triangle DEF. Here angle R equal to 50 degree, angle Q 90 degree, angle D 90 degree. Okay. Then angle R equal to 50 degree, angle E equal to 50 degree. You can calculate the P also, P and F also, because angle sum property we can calculate P and F. But in this case, PR equal to 3.3 centimeter, EF equal to 3.5 centimeter. So both sides are not equal. That means PR not equal to EF. Measurement is different. Then you can say that these two triangles are not congruent. Okay. Here what's the reason? PR not equal to EF. Okay, then these two triangles are not congruent. PR not equal to EF, therefore triangle PQR not congruent to triangle DEF. PQR not congruent to triangle DEF. Next, the third question, PQR and LMN. Consider triangle PQR and triangle LMN. Here R equal to 60 degree, angle L equal to 60 degree. Angle Q equal to 30 degree, angle N equal to 30 degree. RQ or QR equal to 6 centimeter, LN equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, can write it what? Angle Q equal to angle N equal to 30 degree. Okay, LN equal, sorry, first you consider this triangle QR equal to NL equal to 6 centimeter. Next here R, angle R equal to angle L equal to 60 degree. First you consider this triangle PQR, second you consider what? Triangle LMN. Okay, first angle Q equal to angle N equal to 30 degree. QR equal to NL equal to 6 centimeter, angle R equal to angle L equal to 60 degree. QR, the side QR is the included side of angle Q and angle R. NL is the common side of angle L and angle N. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by ASA. Therefore, triangle PQR congruent to matching side, you should write it there. You start from P, vertex P, Q. Q indicates angle, Q indicates what? 30 degree QR. The same thing M. You start from M, N, L. Okay, P, Q, R. For P, Q not given, then Q is a 30 degree. But you start from there M, N, N. Okay. By ASA congruence rule or congruence criterion, we can write it triangle PQR congruent to triangle MNL. This is the symbolic form of this congruent triangle.